Today we will learn how to install Shopify theme or Shopify template. So first you need to log in on the Shopify website. I am already logged in. The next step is we have to click on online store. So here you can see there is a default theme is already installed. We can customize this or we can install our new theme. So I already purchased a theme and I have that on my desktop, as you can see. So let's unzip this. And check out what files are inside. Okay, so as you can see, here is a screenshots and a zip file of theme. So we need to extract to check is all files inside, but we need to upload the zip folder only. So how we will install the new theme on the Shopify? We need to add theme, upload a zip file, and select our theme from desktop. The zip folder we need to select and upload. The maximum file size should be less than 50 MB. So my theme is already uploaded and it's installing. As we can see here, a process. We have to wait until it finish uploading, and now it's uploaded successfully. It's just added. We need to first I want to show you my current theme, how it's visible on the screen. As you can see, this is my current theme, and now I am changing the theme I uploaded. So I will preview this theme up. Then we can see this. So yeah, we need to publish this. Okay. So this is my site URL. We need to enter the URL, and you can see my theme is successfully installed, and we can see already there is images, etc. all in it. So yeah, this is a very simple step how we have to install Shopify theme. You just need to log in, go to the online store, and inside themes you need to upload your theme. From here, add theme, and then you need to publish it. From the actions you can publish, and from customize you can customize your theme also, which we will discuss in the next video. So that's it for the today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.